Hello guys, welcome back to the Simple Snip Code. My name is Rahul. In this video we learn what is difference between Python 2 and Python 3, or we can say Python 2 versus Python 3. So Python 2 has been the most popular version, but now more and more people switching to Python 3. Python 3 is a lot better than Python 2 and comes with many additional features. So I recommended to start using Python 3. Here is the list of difference between Python 2 and Python 3. I will explain one by one. So the first difference is release date. Python 2 is released in 2000 and Python 3 is released in 2008. And then second difference is print statement or function. In Python 2, extra pair of parentheses is not mandatory. It means we can use parentheses or we can't. For example, here I am printing the hello world statement. In the first example I am not put parenthesis, but in second example I am use the parenthesis. But in Python 3 extra pair of parentheses is mandatory. So here I am writing print function. In the first example I write pair of parentheses and it will give you output. But in second example I don't write parentheses, then it will give you error. The third difference is division of integer. Whenever we divide two integers, we got an integer value. Here we take an example. When we divide 5 by 2, it will give output 2. But in Python 3, when we divide two integer value, we got a float value. For example, when we divide 5 by 2, we got 2.5. The fourth difference is Unicode. In Python 2, default storing of string is ASCII. The ASCII is American Standard Code for information interchange. But we can convert our string to Unicode to just type U before string. In this example, we can convert our string to Unicode to just type U before string. But in Python 3, default storing of string is Unicode. The fifth difference is iteration, range function or xrange function. Python 2 supports both range and xrange function. When you need to iterate one object at a time, use xrange function, and when you need to iterate actual list, use a range function. Xrange is generally faster and save memory. But in Python 3, range and xrange working is same. But xrange doesn't work in Python 3. When we use xrange function, it will give you an error. Xrange is not defined. The sixth key difference is library. In Python 2, many older libraries built for Python 2 are not forwards in future. But in Python 3, many of today's developers are getting library which you can use only in Python 3. It means Python 3 library is not work in Python 2. The seventh key difference is syntax. Syntax of Python 2 as compared to Python 3 is difficult to understand. But in Python 3, syntax is simpler and easy to understand. The eighth key difference is round function. In Python 2, the output always results in a floating point number. In this example, if we round 69.9, it will give you the 70.0, and 69.4, it will give you the 69.0. But in Python 3, the result returns in n-digit precision and it will give you the integer value. In this example, we round the 69.9, it will give you the 70. If you take 69.4, it will give you the 69. The ninth and last difference is list comprehension. In Python 2, lesser parentheses than Python 3. But in Python 3, we required extra pair or parentheses is needed here. So here we end this tutorial. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. And do give it like and let me know in comment section. See you guys in next video.